Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 right here on IC Markets. Today I'm showing you right here a Bitcoin chart, and we want to change this to S&P 500. So we click here on symbol and we fill in S&P 500 right now, and then we can decide if you want to do this for the NISE or Nasdaq. Now let's say we want to do it right here for today for let's say the FU to NISA, and then right now we are having here the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So what we're gonna do right now is we click here on new order, select right here the volume that we want to buy, so let's do 1, and then we can create a stop loss or take profit, and then you just need to click right here on buy market. But right now the market is closed, so when the market is open between Monday and Friday, you can do this exactly on the way how I did it. And this is, simply how it works. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.